We're heading into a 3-bedroom here that sleeps 12. Check out this room and view. Wow. Can I just move in? Let's do a little video tour here.
So we actually have 12 of these grand villas. Each one of them are positioned for the water, lake views. So the view you see from this one is very similar for each of the different ones. Stunning, you'll see the
Art
the
here. We've got
Skyliner
Ratatouille.
gliding through in the evenings. It is beautiful sunsets. You sit out
Oh, art.
and just enjoy. Along with
Inside here. Absolutely gorgeous. You're going to have a view of the Skyliner too. You're going to see, which is great. You're going to see the Skyliner out there. And then again, we've got all of this art that's very French inspired or different European artists. It looks like a Picasso with Beauty and the Beast. Some impressionist work. And then now we've got quite a grand bathroom here. Let's look at this tub. Wow. This is amazing, guys. So this is a grand villa, sleeps 12, 3 bedrooms. And look at that shower. Woo! I'll go through to show you the other bedrooms. I mean, and the artwork, this is stunning. So we're gonna keep walking down here, guys. It's a long hallway. It takes a while here. Here we go. You are fully stocked here. And look at this artwork again. You can only find this in the grand villas. Some of this. Another bathroom. Another bedroom with a water view. Amazing. And if you look at the scroll work here, do you notice a little Mickey and Minnie here? And all balconies. And one more bedroom to show you guys. Here we go. We got one more bedroom. Another bedroom here. And look, there's another entrance door that you can use. And we have one more bathroom too. So this is 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. Amazing. And these are all full bathrooms too. You'll notice with showers. Incredible. And then more artwork. Inspired by the Riviera. Look at this. This looks like the Amalfi Coast even. Looks like Italy. We can step out on the balcony. You see your hidden Mickeys there. Again, this is the view. And you've got the Skyliner. Pretty amazing.